Of our friends at Travel Centers of America, TA and Petro stopping centers around the country, home of the World Blends Coffee, the freshest roast on the road. Got an email from Rainmaker. He said, Steve, I was at a facility. I was at the check-in window. Yeah, I saw this bug. It wasn't moving. It was pretty odd looking, though. I picked it up. It was alive, so I put it back. Really odd looking. I've never seen it before. Years old. So I just heard you talking about this new invasive species. I looked it up, and that's what it was. I'm really trying to remember if it was in Virginia or Pennsylvania. But yep, strange looking bug. The spotted lanternfly. A bug that up to 2 weeks ago I had never heard of till one of our drivers called, and it was talking about the quarantine area and whatnot. All right, Karen sent me a link kind of describing the bug. An invasive plant hopper, native to China, India, Vietnam, discovered in Pennsylvania. Berks County was first and has now spread to those other counties in the southeastern portion of the Commonwealth. It has the potential to greatly impact agricultural crops, grapes, hops, hardwoods. It's also reducing the quality of life for people living in heavily infested areas. Penn State University and Extension, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and the PA Department of Agriculture all joining forces to try to contain what can be done is the next question. Spotted lanternfly can't